It took me this long to post this kasi hindi pa nag-sink in sa akin. But as the days passed by, reality is hitting me hard that Papa Alex is really gone home. Gusto kong pasalamatan ang lahat ng tumulong sa aming pamilya since day 0 of our 108 days battle in the ICU. My QCGH family, ER, Miko, nursing service, internal medicine, surgery, ENT, radiology, pathology, HD department, anesthesia, dietary department, pulmonary unit bronch care, pharmacy, and sa aking barkada na section 15. My home church, my life giver family, my prayer warriors family. Shout out to my best friend, my mentor and my life coach, my dear Ate Dayan Doringo, for initiating all means of help. Also, to our Bishop Manny Santiago and 10 ng kanyang pamilya na umalalay and gumabay, especially Rev Helen and Rev Jamie. Also to Tita Sheila Sumabat, Mami Mercy Franco, Tita Bel Fernandez, Tita Lorraine, Tita Mary Jane, Tita Evelyn, Grace, Daisy, Trixie, my best spiritual support system. To my family in the US, all my in-laws, Nanang Ella, Nina and Shong, and sa lahat po ng mga titas and tito namin na kasama ninyo. Our relatives here sa Pinas and overseas, to Roldan, Villanueva, Valmonte, Belen, and Cababa family, thank you po. My best friends overseas, madami po kayo. You know who you are. Shout out to Mami Aubrey and Tino family. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga doktor kong kaibigan, Dr. Akati Bautista, Doc Jamie Lim, of course, Doc Wisdom Ang, Dr. Jam Mendoza, Doc Camille Montes, Doc Jonah Velasquez, Doc Jelly Caparas, Doc Ira, Dr. Kim Madrid, of course, Doc Irene Alejandrino, Doc Bon and Eugene Calawagan, Dr. Ceci Lulkin, and Doc Maura Metere, and sa lahat ng mga kaibigan kong doktor, and madami po akong hindi na-mention, sorry po, especially to internal medicine and surgery family. Also, sa mga kaibigan kong kapwa kong nurses, NAs, medtechs, and IWs, napakadami ninyong umalalay sa akin. You know who you are, and I will always remember who you are. Hindi ako makakalimot, and I am forever thankful for you. To my Miku family, shout out to Sir Joey Ruazol and sa lahat ng mga kapatid kong nurses sa HD and Miku, lalo na po to Mami Aida. To all the doctors and consultants na nakasama namin sa journey na to, internal medicine department, sa JIs and PGIs, sa lahat ng consultants, and I believe lahat ng residents ay naikutan namin. Salamat po to Dr. Mau Pernia and the rest of the team, lalo na yung mga nakagraduate na. You always have a place in my heart and hindi ko kayo makakalimutan, serving Papa Alex until his last breath. Also to Ace Medical Center, HD Unit, and to Dr. Catherine Ang, nakasama po ni Papa sa CKD journey niya. To Joyce, to Queen, Mark, and Jeff, Ate Fats, Joanne, Janice, Awi, Eds, Ate Cars Urbano, Mama Marica Ramores, Mami Maridol, Selwell Mar Apostol, thank you po sa inyo. And best shout out po to Ma'am Andel of Tala Hospital. Alam na alam mo yan, ma'am, kung bakit ako nagpapasalamat sa'yo. Sobra pong salamat. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, workmates and churchmates, people who have been my best support system. Ang pamilya ko mismo, ang kapatid ko lalo, at sa asawa ko. And also right after Papa's death, during and after the wake, lahat po ng nakasama namin in this really long battle, hindi ko maisa-isa and ma-mention lahat actually, dahil sa totoo lang, napakadaming pinadala ng Panginoon to rescue us, to sustain us in our agony. I'm actually afraid to post this. Hindi ko lahat kayo ma-mention in this post because mag-uumapaw ang listahan ng lahat ng pangalan ninyo dito. Inuulit ko po that you know who you are and I will always remember who you are. I'm really blessed sa mga buhay ninyo and sobra-sobra po akong nagpapasalamat in behalf of my family. Sa lahat ng kapamilya namin on both sides ni Mama and Papa, at sa lahat ng mga kaibigan namin, from the bottom of our hearts, I want to thank all of you. As in lahat kayo na nagmahal, nagdasal, na has given out your best share of sacrifice and help to us and to Papa Alex. The Lord has been good to us, and His love and faithfulness is very evident in our lives, especially in the life of my father. Madaming itinuro at ipinaranas ang buhay na Panginoon in that span of time na pinagdaanan ko at ng aking pamilya. Bakit nga ba at paano nalagpasan at patuloy na dinadaanan ng may matatag na puso? Paano nga ba? Ang sagot ko palagi, I am nothing without God. Hindi ko kaya yon, pero kaya niya. Only by God's grace, sa grasya at habag ng Panginoon, so much revelations and patunay ng kanyang love and sovereignty, na kanyang kapangyarihan at pagpapala, kaya kinaya at patuloy na kinakaya. Only by His love, His grace, and His mighty power. Again po, nagpapasalamat ako lubos sa Panginoon at sa inyong lahat na ikaw na nagbabasa or nakakapakinig nito ngayon, that you are a part of this great journey. Sinadya ko talagang i-voice over ito because I just wanted to make you feel how grateful I am, how thankful I am to all of you. Hindi man kita nabanggit in this post, hindi kita makakalimutan, and maraming salamat sa iyo. To God be the glory po, Papa Alex. You have fought a very good fight. Talagang lumaban ka till the very end. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo and all of the memories we have shared. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. And mahal na mahal ka namin, Papa. Kayo ni Mama. You will always be here in my heart, Pa. And we are at peace na kasama mo na ang Panginoon. Salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. I will continue to stand that in every shaking and in every chaos, God is with us. Ingat po kayo and God bless. Love you all.